Welcome to UNV Academy. I'm David. In this video, I'll be introducing two UNIView analog cameras. They have the shape in bullet and turret. Both of them can provide high-definition image. Let's now jump into this video and look what these two cameras can do. UNIView analog cameras have IP67 water and dust resistance design. It's both plug and play. We can see objects clearly even when the camera is underwater. Besides, we can use OSD function for camera's further settings. Right-click to find the coaxial control. Click arrow key in the center to show up the menu. Use the direction keys around to navigate the detailed configurations. When settings are completed, click the arrow key to confirm. UNIView analog cameras do work with the back-end XVR to realize some advanced functions as well. We're here taking the motion detection as the example. The checked action we set is the pop-up window. Now we can see when the pedestrian enters the selected area, the pop-up window will appear. With the superior durability and easiness of operation, UNIView analog cameras can definitely provide you with magnificent surveillance experience.